Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I welcome you back in this machine learning tutorial series. So, uh, as we already discussed linear regression and we started linear regression in the previous video, I will be recalling the basic definition of linear regression and basic points that are related to linear regression in the one or two slides. And thereafter I will discuss about more about best fit line and how we select the best fit line, and we will also discuss some more examples, or we can say some more case studies on linear regression. So moving forward with the definition of linear regression again. Linear regression is a predictive model for finding the linear relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. So as here, this equation I have already discussed in the previous video, that y is a dependent variable on x, and here y is equal to a plus bx is one of the linear equation that we usually study from our childhood. So this basic equation is the basic backbone of this linear regression as well. So now moving forward, talking about the best fit line. So what exactly best fit line is? So if we discuss the previous case study that we went through, like in the previous video, there also we saw that a basic line like this line was drawn in the whole chart, where the these red dots symbolizes the variations of cost depends on the miles of the British bus, and the best fit line, that is this line, is the best fit line for this graph. And here the best fit line, as I already said, best fit line follows the linear regression, so it is linearly drawn, and here it follows the linear equation of the line, that is y is equal to a plus bx, where y is the y-axis. It symbolizes the whatever the parameters that are there on the y-axis, and axis is the parameter that is there on the x-axis. For this example, we have miles on the x-axis and cost on the y-axis, and it shows that how the miles and the cost varies. Now moving forward with the next slide. So why this only is the best fit line? That is why this only is the best fit line. Why this is not the best fit line like this one, that I have drawn just above the previous line? That why that line is the only best fit line? Why not we can't why we can't draw the best fit line below the line that we have previously drawn or taken as the best fit line for the given case study, or for the given plot? So it can be best fit line should be should be linear, and it can be like in any shape, right? So in this video, or in this discussion, we will understand how we select best fit line, because as you can see that we can draw any line line that is similar to the best fit line that we have already. So we will understand that what is the basic things that basically decides to which line we should choose to be called as the best fit line for the given graph. So moving forward, so here for this to making it clear, I have taken a case study here also, a case study of to find the GRE score depending on the CGPA of a particular student. And I have taken this case study from different websites like Amazon AWS Academy and analytics.com, and from there I have tried to study or take the different examples for you all to understand. So as you can see here, like we have a CGPA on the x-axis and GRE score on the y-axis, and we have best fit line as drawn, as you can see. And the different blue lines, like blue or green lines, basically shows the difference, like the different data sets values that we had from our data sets. And the data set that I have chosen is here, that it is like serial numbers with GRE score and TOEFL scores and university ranking and CGPA. Like these types of values were there in the data sets of that case study. So uh, now we will discuss the measure of, like how we measure good fit, like how we measure the best fit or good fit. So suppose we have the x-axis and y-axis, and here we have the like different dots which symbolizes the representation of one of the data sets that we have, like one of the data from the data sets. And so uh, like we have the best fit line as this from the previous like previous slides. You may have noticed that this blue line indicates the best fit for this case study. And so what exactly, like how we decide it? Okay, so suppose we have the best fit line as this, and we have the actual, like suppose a person or a student named like Sivam, who has scored like this, like his data pointing at this point of the graph. And the difference between the like the point on the like best fit point, that is suppose Shivam has 2 CGPA, and depending on that he got like GRE score something between like 5. Okay, so this point shows that on that 2 CGPA he is scoring 5 GRE score. Okay, so it is what it is our like actual output. Okay, but here the point on the best fit line shows the predicted output. That is, what is the predicted output? Okay, so and the difference between these two is called the residual. Okay, suppose here also this difference, this line shows the residual, and this line also shows the residual. So now moving forward, uh, so for the measure of the good fit, the like the line, or we can say that for the measure of the best fit line, the summation of y naught minus yp. Y naught is the actual output that we have, and minus yp, that is our predicted output. That square must be small, so that so that we can have our result that is closer to the actual result. Okay, so this is the basic idea behind choosing the best fit line. So that's all. In the next video I will like continue this case study, and we'll discuss like the different with the different examples of this submission part, that how we choose the best fit line for this case study. So that's all. Hope you liked it, and stay blessed.